Hello beautiful treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. I have here some soya beans powder, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I made it. Let's get started. Here I have 2 cups of soya beans which I'm going to use, and I will start by washing the beans. After washing the beans, the next thing we're going to do is to cook it. I'm going to cook these beans for about 20 to 25 minutes. I have a previous video on how to make soya beans powder. In that one, I did not cook it. I used another method. You can check it out. I feel this one is the easiest method, but if you prefer that one, you can also use that method. And after cooking the beans for 25 minutes, this is what we have. It is now a bit soft. So the next thing I'm going to do is to peel off the skin. I'll wash it and peel off the skin, but this is optional. You can decide to leave yours like that. It is still good and fine, but I'm going to peel off the skin. After peeling off the skin and washing it, I'll then pour it back into my kitchen basket and allow it to drain out water. It is now time to dry it and roast it, and I'll be using oven for this. I've just poured it out in my oven tray, and I'm going to spread it there and put it into the oven. I'll allow it to dry in the oven and also roast as well. And stir it at intervals. This is after 30 minutes in the oven. It is still wet. I will still leave it in the oven. Here it is dried but not crispy dried, not well dried, so I'll still leave it in the oven after stirring it. It is now well dried and roasted. At this point it smells so good. This is after 90 minutes in the oven at 150 degrees Celsius. The next step now is to pour it out into another tray and then allow it to cool down, and then we'll blend it. And then what again? And now it is time to grind the soya beans into powder. And I'll be grinding this in batches because my grinder is a small one. My grinder doesn't give me a very smooth powder, so I sieve it after grinding. But if your grinder is up to 1000 and above watts, you may not need to do this. And here we have our soya beans powder. This can serve as soya milk or as a protein powder in your smoothies and milkshakes. Store this in an airtight container and it can last for months in your cupboard or pantry. I hope you find this video useful and helpful. Thank you all for watching, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also share the video and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you all. I really appreciate. If you are just tuning in for the first time, you are highly welcomed. My name is Henrietta Onyemere. Please do share the video and subscribe if you haven't. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.